Hello, good morning. How are you today? I want to quickly explain today on sales tax. As you can see, sales tax. So we are saying output tax. This is a tax charged on sales. Okay. And then input tax. This is incurred on purchases. Upon purchases, you find that the manufacturers, they are charging you tax, so you have to pay that tax as you are buying or purchasing your products. Okay, so I'll explain more. This is a new topic that I just want to introduce, and then along the way to make more sense. Then my main focus today is value added tax, VAT. I'm sure you are familiar with the term. How do you calculate the value added tax? How do you know how much tax to charge your clients? That's the topic that I want to talk about. So calculating sales tax, let's say we have product A, which has net price 120 kwacha and sales tax at 20%. So the tax authorities, they are charging tax at 20%. So this rate, I'm just using it for the question, but the actual tax rate usually depends on the country and the year. They usually change according to the year or according to whatever things they consider. So this is just for the question purposes. So net price 120, and then let's see how you calculate. So calculating sales tax, you are just going to say your rate 20% multiplied by 120. I'm sure this will give you 24, okay, 24. So this is your tax to submit to tax authorities, to the authorities. Okay, different authorities according to the country, I mean. So now let's see how much you're going to be selling your product. So you'll be selling, this is 120 plus 24, your tax. So your selling price will be 144. Okay, selling price for your product, for product A. In the case of my question, selling price. Okay, 144. So the 24 goes to the tax authority, and then 120 kwacha is what the seller keeps. So businesses charge tax on behalf of the tax authorities. So this is the amount the seller will keep. The 24 kwacha is a tax which will go to the tax authorities, but upon selling, the seller will be charging 144 kwacha for a product according to our calculation of sales tax. Okay, so now let's say you have here we had the net price 120 kwacha. So now let's say we have the gross price. We've been given the gross price. They are saying this product is 144 kwacha inclusive of tax. Inclusive of tax, meaning tax has already been added to this amount for the product A that we are selling. So now we want to know how much was the tax amount. So you just say, let's say the tax is the same percent. We are not changing the percentage. Tax is, the percentage is still 20%, okay? Sales tax. Okay, so how do you calculate? You just put up your percentage 20 over. This time our percentage won't be over 100, it's going to be over 120 because we are using the gross price inclusive of the 20%. So here you say over 120 multiplied by 144, the gross amount. If you do your calculation, you find that your 24 kwacha. So the net price you already know, 144. If you do the subtraction, you find that you have 120 as the net price for the product that the seller keeps. Okay, so thank you so much. It's been Moses Piri. I appreciate your time.